The 2026 Honda Rune Cruiser, where machines become legends. Today, we're diving into one of the most mysterious and eye-catching names circulating online, the 2026 Honda Rune Cruiser. But here's the big question: is this bike real, or just hype? Reality check. Does the 2026 Rune exist? Let's be clear right away. Backhand index pointing right, there is no official confirmation from Honda of a 2026 Rune Cruiser. Most of what you see online comes from concept designs, unofficial articles, and YouTube speculation. Honda's actual 2026 Cruiser lineup focuses on models like the Rebel and Fury, not the Rune. Honda Powersports Canada. So right now, the 2026 Rune is best understood as a concept or imagined revival, not a confirmed production bike. Checkered flag legendary roots, the original Rune. To understand the hype, you need to look back at the original Honda Valkyrie Rune. Launched in 2004. Limited production. Based on Honda Gold Wing engineering. Built more as art than a mass-market bike. It was one of the most unusual and ambitious motorcycles ever made, and it didn't last long due to high production costs. Fire design, art on two wheels. If the 2026 Rune were real, its biggest highlight would definitely be design. Concept descriptions suggest long, ultra-low stance, sculpted aluminum-style bodywork, futuristic LED lighting, heavy use of chrome and premium finishes. The Rune has always been about visual impact over practicality, a motorcycle that looks like a rolling sculpture. High-voltage engine and performance, smooth power. Expected, unofficial, specs point toward a large V-twin engine, Tune 4. Strong low-end torque. Smooth cruising performance. Relaxed highway riding. Unlike sport bikes, the Rune would focus on presence and effortless power, not speed numbers. Brain technology, modern touches, expected. Modern concept versions often include features like ride-by-wire throttle, riding modes, ABS and traction control, digital plus analog hybrid display, smartphone connectivity. This would bring the Rune into the modern era while keeping its old-school soul. Motorcycle riding experience, style over speed. The Rune has never been about aggressive riding. It's about smooth cruising, comfortable ergonomics, making a statement wherever you go. It's a bike you ride slowly, because everyone is looking at it. Checkered flag final verdict, myth or future icon? The 2026 Honda Rune Cruiser is not officially real, at least not yet. Heavy checkmark what's real, the legendary status of the original Rune. Crossmark what's not, any confirmed 2026 production model. But here's the interesting part. Honda has proven before that it can build something as wild as the Rune. So a comeback? Backhand index pointing right, not impossible, just not confirmed.